Good morning students. In the previous class we have studied about how to calculate the molar mass. Now today we are starting the next topic, that is how to calculate the number of moles. Now to calculate the number of moles we will use the formula given mass divided by the molar mass. So whatever the questions which we are doing, again and again we have to remember the molar mass or the molecular mass of the atomic mass of the element. So 1 to 20 all the atomic masses we have to learn properly, so that we will use in the different question to solve. So here we are calculating the number of moles. Number of moles can also be written as the small n. Okay, so the formula of the number of moles will be written as the given mass divided by the molar mass. Okay, so whenever the question is there to calculate the number of moles, we will be using the formula given mass divided by the molar mass. Okay, so first here we are taking 52 gram of the helium. Okay, so in this 52 gram of the helium we have to calculate the number of moles. The formula to calculate the number of moles is given mass divided by the molar mass. Okay, so we'll write the formula given mass divided by molar mass. Here in the question the given mass it is 52 gram. So in the front of it given mass we will write it 52, and molar mass we know that it is 4. Okay, so this you have to remember by the periodic table. The molar mass of the helium it is 4. So when you will divide this both, you will be getting 13 moles. Okay, so whenever we want to calculate number of moles, we will first write the given mass. This is the given mass divided by the molar mass, which is 4. Now second one, if you consider 12 gram of oxygen gas. Now here most important you have to remember whether it is written the oxygen gas or the oxygen atom. If it is oxygen gas, suppose we know that the molar mass of the oxygen it is 16. If it is written oxygen gas, then we know that the oxygen it is exists in the form of O2. If it is gas is there, then 2 is written. So this 2 we have to multiply. The 16 will be multiplied by 2. And if the atom is written, it means it is single O. So in that case we will only be writing 16. So N is the given mass divided by molar mass. The given mass it is 12. Molar mass of oxygen, this 16 molar mass is there, will multiply by 2, will get 32. Okay, so we are, when you divide this you will be getting 0.37 mole. Okay, so the most important thing what you have to remember, you have to see whether it is atom written or the gas written. If the atom is written, it means you will just writing the single atomic mass of the particular atom. If suppose if the sulfur is there, now sulfur, if it is sulfur atom is there, we'll just write the 32. But if the sulfur gas is there, then we will write as 8, because the sulfur it is as 8. So there in that case that sulfur 32 will be multiplied by the 8. Okay, so like this we will be solving to calculate the number of moles. Now next, if we see 20 gram of water. Now again in this question we have to calculate the number of moles. The number of moles formula we will use given mass upon molar mass. Now here the molar mass of the single atom is not given, it is the H2O, this compound is there. So first you have to calculate the molar mass of the water. Now how you are calculating? The number of atom multiplied by atomic mass, again another number of atom multiplied by atomic mass. Now if we see here H2O, how many number of atoms of hydrogen are there? It is 2. 2 multiplied by atomic mass of the hydrogen, that is 1, plus number of atom of oxygen is 1 multiplied by its atomic mass, that is 16. So 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 16 multiplied by 1, 16, and 16 and 2 when you will add, you will get the 18. So in the place of molar mass we will put the calculated value of water which we have calculated. So we are writing 20 divided by 18. So on solving we will be getting 1.1 mole. Okay, so whenever if the single element is not given and the compound is given, first you have to calculate the molar mass of that particular compound, and this value will be substituted in this equation, that is given mass divided by the molar mass, and answer we will get. Similarly if we see the next part, the 22 gram of carbon dioxide. Now again the gas carbon dioxide is there. The molar mass we will be calculating of the carbon dioxide. So first it is carbon, and number of carbon atom it is 1. So 1 multiplied by molar mass of carbon, that is 12, plus number of oxygen atom it is 2. 2 multiplied by atomic mass of the oxygen, that is 16. So 12 ones are 12 and 16 when multiplied by 2 you will be getting 32. So on adding we will be getting 44. Then we'll put the formula N equal to given mass upon molar mass. Now how much is the given mass? It is 22. Molar mass we have calculated, it is 44. So when this will multiply and you will cut, you will be getting 1 by 2. So the answer will be 0.5 mole. Okay. So whenever the question it is given, first you have to see the given mass and then you have to calculate the molar mass of the compound. If the single element is present, directly we will put the atomic mass of it. But if the single element it is not present, if the compound is there, so you have to calculate the molar mass of the compound and then after calculation you will substitute the values in the formula. Okay. So today what we have learned topic, how to calculate the number of moles. Number of moles, it is the given mass divided by the molar mass.